All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and today I want to do a video describing Myrtle's merch. Myrtle's merch store is open, ready to take orders, and I want to show you guys some of the products that are available. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so today I want to do a video I've been wanting to do for a while, and I certainly need to get done before I start my big tour, which should be starting probably in less than a week. The weather is terrible. I'm in Southern California, and there has just been big storms. The wind is howling. There's a ton of rain, so I am in my trailer, and today I want to show you guys some products that I have available with my Travels by Trike logo. And the idea for offering these products is to give me a way to offset some of the expenses for this upcoming tour. This tour is going to be bigger than anything I have ever done before. I mean, I know a lot of people have followed me for many, many years and all my previous tours, but this tour is going to be longer in time and also distance than I have ever done before. And some of the expenses are also going to be a bit higher. And so I am offering some Myrtle's merch as a way to help me with some of those costs. I have set up a page, I guess a storefront, on a website called Spring. This is a print-on-demand store, and what's really nice about this particular store is they take care of everything. So I chose some products that I would like to have my logo on, and really I just needed to upload my logo, and then I could decide where on the products I want the logo to be displayed. And then I'm going to put a link to the store, Myrtle's merch, in the description of this video. It's also going to be in the description of every video. It's already in the description of videos I've done in the past. And you can go on there, you can place an order, and this company will take care of everything. And so they have the products, they know where the logo is to be printed, and when an order is placed, that's when they make the products. So it's an American company, everything is made in the US, and I have ordered some of the products so that I could take a look at it and just make sure that the quality is okay. And I have to say I'm very happy with what I'm seeing so far. So I'm going to show you guys some of these products, but what's really great is they not only ship everything, they package it, but they also take care of all the money. And so for each order, they take 15%, which to me feels very reasonable considering they're doing everything. And then that they also will send me the proceeds. So everything goes through PayPal, and then I can decide what bank account that I want to have the proceeds go to. But I've gone through the whole process, setting up the store, ordering products, and having them ship, receiving them. I'm very happy with the quality. And then I've also had them pay out some of the profits, and then I've made sure that everything works as it should, and I'm very happy with the way things are working. It's simple, so it's not going to be like ordering from Amazon where you go to a storefront and everything looks pretty sophisticated. It's pretty simple, and because they make all the products as the orders are placed, it's going to take a couple of weeks to receive the orders. So let me show you some of the things, and hopefully I'll entice you to place an order. Okay, so like I said, I just have a few of the products that I ordered so that I can check on the quality of it. And let me start by showing you guys the water bottle. So this is one of those products that you would probably expect would fit in the bottle cage on your trike or bike, and it is much too big. It's really something that you would keep on your desktop, maybe at work or going on a hike. It will obviously carry more water too. I have made a change. I think the logo is too big, and so I have shrunk it down, but it's lightweight, but a very nice material, the brushed aluminum. And then it has a straw to drink from, and here is the spout. So it's really a nice, very nice water bottle, just not something that you would carry on your bike or trike. And this is the flag. I think it looks really sweet with the logo. It comes in all different colors. I've chosen yellow for visibility. Now this is designed as a pennant. And so it comes with a wooden pole with a braided string, and it's actually designed to point in the other direction with this corner pointed down. The ends are all hemmed, and it's really quite a thick material. And so it's not the material that we're all used to with the flags on our bikes and trikes. I think that this material is actually absorbent. And so for most people, they go on day rides, they're not going to be riding in the rain. It's going to be just fine. But for someone like for me, it wouldn't really work very well for touring or being in all kinds of weather where it's just going to get too heavy, I think. I have gotten it wet and the colors do not run. The other thing is it's only on one side, and so, this side is just blank. But I think for just riding around, showing off your favorite turtle, I think it works pretty well. And this is what the bandana looks like. Again, it comes in all colors. So this one happens to be orange. And after getting this, I decided to make the logo much, much smaller. And so I think it'll look better, be more obvious, just more in the corner. But again, you can get it in just about any color. And it also, there's another one for dogs, a little bit smaller. And then all of the logos have this white background, and I kept this so that if you pick a dark color, you'll still be able to see the logo. Otherwise, I'd have to make two logos for light and dark, and this was just simpler. This is what the sticker looks like. So this is the 5x5 sticker. It's a really nice, thick material, and I really like the way they rounded the corners on this. And the sticker comes 5x5 or 3x3, and I didn't really know where to put it, so I just stuck it on the back of my laptop. All right, so these are just some of the products that are available. There's also a mug. There's a women's t-shirt, a man's t-shirt, a long sleeve t-shirt, a hoodie, and maybe there's a total of 10 products that are available. And I really just wanted to have a way to have some fun, give people a chance to order some things to help offset the costs of my tour, and also to show off this logo. So I have to give a really big shout out to Matt Galat, Jayo Nation. He actually designed this logo many years ago. From the way he tells the story, I think he was just playing around and he wanted to know what it would look like for a turtle to be riding a trike, and this is what he came up with. He sent it to me. He goes, I'm just playing around. If you'd like to have it, you can, happy to give it to you. And he also designed the intro to my videos. I love the logo. I think it's just perfect, and you guys recognize that you've seen it for many, many years. So yeah, please take a look at some of this merchandise. Myrtle's merch store is open, and I'm super grateful to everybody that has already placed orders. Your support means so much. So thank you for watching. Be safe, stay healthy. See you next time.